2013 Ford F-150 3.5 liter EcoBoost. 175,000 miles on the truck. Under wide open throttle or a load, it starts to buck and shake. Engine light flashes. Codes are for random multiple cylinder misfire and number 3 cylinder misfire. So we're going to do spark plugs, and we're going to replace the number 3 ignition coil. Got to take your cover off the top of the engine. It's pretty easy to get to everything. The cylinders are laid out as 1, 2, 3 in the back, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to do the plugs and the number 3 ignition coil, and we'll see how it goes. The recommended spark plugs for this 3.5 EcoBoost are Motorcraft CYFS 12YT3, and you want to make sure that they're all gapped at 30 thousandths. Okay guys, we did the 6 spark plugs and the number 3 ignition coil on this 13 F-150. We're about to go wide open and see how it runs.